state is going to perform makes the laws for the Andhra state. Likewise, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Bengal, all the states will have their own laws, and the main will be the central government, which makes the laws for the whole state, which constitutes the whole state, that is whole India. Central government is going to make the law, and state government makes the laws for the state, and it is usually located in the capitals of the state. Lastly, the local government functions in a city, town, or village. Three categories: central government, state government, and the local government. Correct? So, as I said, levels of government are of three. The central government is responsible for the entire country. It makes the laws for the entire country. Whoever is living in this particular country has to follow the laws made by the central government, and they are responsible to carry out the laws which they have made. And the laws made by the Indian Parliament are carried out by the President, Prime Minister, and Councils of Ministers. And this President of India will be the head of the country. And the President is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and state legislative assemblies. So, children, the Prime Minister of India is the head of the Indian government. So, they will be appointed by whom? President of India, and assisted by several ministers. Next, coming to the state government. Apart from central government, we have every state in India has got its own government, which look after the welfare of the people of the states, and they provide basic facilities. And irrespective of the state, each state has got their own rules and regulations. And the laws are highest law making body at the state level is called state legislature, is responsible for making the laws, and these laws are carried out by the governor, chief minister, and the councils of minister. Here the governor will be the head of the state and is appointed by the president of India. So we saw central and state. Now we will come to the local. So generally local government that works under local level, it consists of cities, villages, known as local government. In a city, a municipal council or municipal corporation works to look after the welfare of the people. And come to the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat in the village, they take care of the people. So this is the different levels of the government which works for the welfare of the people. So next we'll move on to the what laws of the people and how they should be obey the laws. So students, coming to the laws and the people, at each level we have a governance body, correct? So government performs its function at different levels by at central, state, and local. So they are making the laws for whom? For us, that is the public. And it enforces laws, for example, to ensure the safety to people on the roads. They say that they must wear the seat belt and wear the helmet. They should follow the traffic rules, everything. If anybody caught, or everyone is being caught by the police, if they violate the rules and regulations, they are going to be penalized. That is nothing but they are going to be put fine. If anyone is going to abolish or violate the rules or the regulations made for the welfare of the public. Suppose if we violate the traffic rules, the traffic police officer is going to put fine, or we put a case against us, and we are supposed to attend the court, and whatever the judgment is given by the court, we need to be followed. So these kind of practices are being followed in our country. So generally they say that the government is responsible to make the law, and we the public has to be followed that with respect, with due respect. Suppose if it doesn't follow, the irrespective of caste, religion, color, and whatever it may be, status, income, they doesn't take into consideration, and we are responsible to follow the judgment given by the court. Okay, without any discrimination or mercy, everyone are equal in the eyes of the law. They say that this is the main topic. They say that laws and the people. Laws are made for the welfare of the people. We should not violate that. We should follow it and obey it, respect it, for us. It will be good for us and for all the people who live in the country. So students, in today's class what we learned is levels of government. So at different levels our government is going to perform different functions for the welfare of the people, for the well-being of the people, for the peace and harmony to keep in the country. So for that we have three classification: central, state and local government. Each three governments performs different functions at their level. Center will perform for the whole country, state is going to perform the state all state level, and the local at the city or the village level. Okay, so in the next class we will be studying about the what types of government. This is level of government, that's then we'll see the types of government. Okay, thank you. Please update the notes and complete the worksheet, and be safe and be healthy. Thank you.